Hello and welcome, my name is Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this sound demonstration video. It is to accompany our Etsy listing and it's for this beautiful shamanic drum just here. Now this is a Deerskin shamanic drum. It's on an 18-inch frame and as you can see it has some artwork done on the front here. So this is a crow feather with the crows emanating out of the feather. Quite a popular design, this one. I quite like it. Anything to do with crows, really. If I turn it over, it's laced with artificial sinew, as you can see, and it's got a branch handle. The branch is silver birch, but it's had the bark removed. It's on a willow frame, and I'm sure I popped that in there somewhere. Yep, deer and willow. I put on the inside there. I've also put birthed on the 11th of March 2024 in Knighton Parish, UK. That's for all of those of you who are interested in astrology and you want to find out the energies that were around on the day when the drum was birthed. So Driftwood Hollow Drums, that's my maker's mark. I popped that on there as well. That's about it really to talk about. The information that will be on the Etsy listing will help as well, and then obviously the next bit is where we listen to the drum, and that's what's important. So let's have a play. I'm going to play with a firm beater, and there's a softer beater as well. Both of those are available to purchase alongside the drum if you choose this to be your drum. Let's have a play. Beautiful. Okay, and then the softer beater. Here we go. Okay, that's lovely. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helps you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose online. So it's tricky. So yeah, I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.